Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store as the number 1 followed by the word spot and media. Has one political aspirant done what the security forces have been trying to do in one crime-stricken community in East Kingston? TVJ News is in receipt of a video footage of a handshake by 2 members of warring communities in the area. It was shot independently. Janella Precious explains.
After several weeks of being confined to their homes due to violence, children living on Oliver Road were out in their numbers on Saturday. The event was a back-to-school treat. The organizer, the aspirant who is vying to replace the outgoing councillor for the Norman Gardens Division, Angela Brown-Burke. Her name is Jacqueline Lewis.
It's just to ease them of the tension and a little of the fear and the fright that they have been going through for a little while.
The day before a similar treat was held, there we were told 2 men from warring factions in Jarrett Lane and Oliver Road shook hands, signifying the end to the ongoing gun battle between rival gangs. It was recorded by an independent cameraman. There were no interviews, just an assurance that there will be no more guns blazing in the area.
There's a feud for some time, and they have come together and shake hands, and they have promised, although they say that a promise is a comfort to a fool, but they have promised that they are going to just hold the strength for us until, we can work out a more permanent situation for them to come to a amicable solution, with the violence that is in the area.
Going through the footage which was sent to our newsroom, there were no police officers present, just the residents who are hoping that the violence is really over. Janella Precious, TVJ News.